Did you know that lemons aren't just for the kitchen? This citrus fruit hides amazing secrets that can be useful in your garden too. Today we will reveal 5 great ways to use lemon and its wealth of natural elements for your plants. You will surely be surprised how a simple lemon can make your garden healthier and more productive. Before we start with these useful tips, I invite you to join us and subscribe to our channel. Hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the bell to keep up with all our new videos. Lemon juice is an excellent natural pesticide. Mix the juice of 1 lemon with water in a spray bottle and spray the plants. This mixture will repel pests such as aphids and spiders. Acid from lemons can help neutralize alkaline soil. If your plants like acidic soil, like blueberries, simply add a little lemon juice to the water you water them with. Lemon peels can speed up the composting process. Add them to your compost to enrich the soil with vitamins and speed up the breakdown of organic material. If you want to clean your garden tools without chemicals, rub them with lemon. Lemon juice will kill bacteria and prevent disease from spreading to your plants. Snails hate the smell of lemons. Cut lemons into wedges and place them around plants that slugs attack, a natural way to keep them out of your garden. Dear gardeners, send this video to all your friends. They will be glad to see all these useful tips too. Thank you for that.